What's the fastest way to show hidden files on macOS? Every tutorial on internet refers to some weird terminal command no one really can remember. But did you ever know you can reveal hidden files on macOS just by a simple keyboard shortcut? I will show you. It's one of the many hidden secrets in macOS. So if you want to quickly show hidden files, activate your Finder application or open any Finder window and now just press on your keyboard simultaneously Command, Shift and Dot. Can you see? Hidden files are revealed. When you press the same command again, it will hide hidden files again. No more messing with terminal. So don't forget, the shortcut is Command, Shift and Dot. I hope you found my today's tutorial useful. If you like it, please click on the like button, subscribe to my channel and click the bell next to it so you will get notifications about my new videos. Thank you and see you next time.